In this video, I'll show you how to take a test on Peppermint. We'll go over the process from receiving a test to completing it from start to finish. Receiving a test. First, we'll start with how to receive a test. Before you receive a test, it's important to ensure that all sections of your profile information are correct and up to date. Once a test is available, you will receive an email from Peppermint. Open the email to review details about the test you've been invited to participate in. In this case, the test I received is for providing feedback on the MyFitnessPal app. The email includes brief information about the test, such as the devices you can use and the estimated duration. The compensation for this test is $3, and the deadline for completion and submission is provided in the email. After this deadline, you will not be compensated. Each test has limited spots available, so if you wait too long, other testers may fill all the available slots before you can participate. Click the link in the email to start the test. You will be required to sign into your account, which should take you directly to the test. If you are not automatically redirected, you can also find the test at the top of your dashboard. You will see an alert notifying you of new tests available, along with a button to start the test. Additionally, a countdown timer will display the remaining time before the deadline to complete and submit the test. Completing the test. Now, let's walk through completing the test we just received. Click on the Start Test button. The first thing you'll see is a checklist. It's important to read through the information carefully before checking each item. This checklist provides essential details about the product you'll be testing. If you don't follow the instructions properly, you may not be compensated for the test. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you're using a compatible device to complete the test. The checklist includes a link to download the app for iOS and Android devices, or a link to access the web app via a browser. Follow the link to download the app. It's important to complete this step now, as the first few questions will relate to the app. Clicking the link will take you to the App Store to download the app. Once downloaded, return to the checklist and check off each item. Ensure that your audio is turned on for the recordings. Once everything is checked, click Done to proceed to the questions. If you need to revisit the checklist, simply tap on the tab to reopen it. Starting the test. The purpose of this test is to gather your feedback on the app you downloaded. The test is divided into 3 sections. Entry survey, 5 questions about your background using similar products. Task section, you will complete tasks within the app while recording your screen with audio. Exit survey, a final section with 22 multiple choice questions. As you complete the tasks, be brutally honest. Your genuine feedback is valuable, and there are no wrong answers. Before proceeding, tick the box agreeing to forfeit compensation if you do not follow the instructions. Entry survey. This section consists of 5 questions designed to help us understand your experience with similar products. Before answering, take a moment to explore the app you are testing. For this test, I will be evaluating MyFitnessPal's food diary feature to assess the ease of logging meals and reviewing nutritional information. Answer the following questions based on your experience. How often do you use products in this category? What specific tasks do you usually perform with similar products? Which features do you consider most important when using a product like this? If you could change one thing about your experience with similar products, what would it be? Tasks. The task section contains 2 tasks in this example, but tests may include between 1 and 5 tasks. For each task, you must record your screen before starting. After completing each task, stop the recording and upload it before starting a new recording for the next task. Make sure you understand that each task requires a separate screen recording. Your recording should include audio, where you speak your thoughts out loud while completing the tasks. The first task, logging a meal and reviewing nutritional information. In this scenario, I want to track my breakfast using the MyFitnessPal app. Log the following meal: scrambled eggs, toast, orange juice. Then, review the nutritional breakdown of the meal. Go into the app and walk through each step of the process. Once you have completed the task, answer the following questions in your recording. What did you think about the layout of the information? Did you find the instructions clear and easy to follow? Is there anything you expected to find that was missing? Now, I will perform the task, sharing as much detail as possible. I am creating an account because I do not have one yet. I have now logged in and will start sharing my thoughts about the app, including any issues I encounter or features I cannot find. I do not want to sign up for a plan, no, thank you. However, I do like the user interface. It is very clean. The app displays a tap the add button message to log food, weight, exercise, and more. First impressions, the interface is intuitive, well organized, and visually appealing. Now, I will complete the task by logging my food. Scrambled eggs, the search function suggests options automatically, making it easy to log. Toast, I search for toast and select one slice. Orange juice, I log 1 cup of orange juice. Next, I will check the nutritional breakdown of my meal. I can see that my breakfast contains 420 calories. Clicking on the breakdown, I can view macros such as protein, carbs, fiber, and sugar. Answering task questions. What did you think about the layout of the information? The information was clear and well organized. The interface is intuitive and makes good use of space. Did you find the instructions clear and easy to follow? Yes. The log food button was easy to find, appearing immediately upon opening the app. Is there anything you expected to find that was missing? I don't think so at this point. I also see an option to log my weight, which is interesting. I found it helpful that searching for eggs automatically suggested options. I didn't even have to type the full word, very intuitive. Now that I have completed the task, I will stop the recording and upload it for review. Uploading the recording. For each completed task, we review your submission to ensure you followed all instructions. Your recording includes audio with spoken feedback. Now, select Upload Recording from your device. While the recording uploads, complete the remaining responses on the screen. Were you able to complete the task successfully? On a scale of 1 to 7, how difficult was this task? What was your reason for the rating? Depending on the video length, you may need to wait for the upload to finish. Once uploaded, submit the task. Repeat this process for any additional tasks in the test. Exit survey. This is the final section of the test. You do not need to record your screen for this section. Answer questions about your experience using the app. Most of these questions are multiple choice. One final question. Any last comments about this app? Once all responses are complete, click Submit and exit. Test completion and payment. After submitting the test, you will notice that your compensation has not yet been added to your wallet. This is because our team reviews each submission before processing payments. You will receive an email notification once your compensation has been credited to your wallet. In the test section of your dashboard, the status of your MyFitnessPal test will now display as in review while it is being processed. I hope this answered your questions about receiving and completing tests. Thank you for being a Peppermint tester. Peppermint, user feedback starts here.